parcel delivered today, which is the Alocs Cookset. Now at first I thought this was more of a budget version than a Trangia. It's the same sort of style, but it actually works out more expensive. It's £65 for this set. There's the box. So as you can see, it's a lot like the Trangia style. So it comes in a nice bag. The drawstring. Comes with all that. So there's a Meths burner. You get a little cloth, handle, and all sorts of pans. So this is how you adjust the flame size, just by opening and closing, or you just completely close it to turn it off, snuff it out. And this is what you fill with Meths. So you can just fill this up before you leave for camping, screw it on, and that will keep it inside there nice and safe. Let's have a look at the handle. Oh, the handle. That handle looks lovely. Very nice, light in the hands, quite chunky. Aluminium, I think. So the first pot is 1 litre. Second pot is 1.2 litres. And then that is your frying pan. And the psychedelic pattern. And you just use this to pick them up. It's on the floor like that. This sits on top. Goes on the slots and turns just to secure it. What's in here then? Okay, so this is your pot stand. Ah, that's it. So your burner goes in the centre. That sits down there. You have this at the side ready to put through, turn it off, or we're going to just adjust the burn. You could have half it open or fully. Now, quite a clever thing with this pan, it's got 2 different ridges. So the outer is for this big pot, and the inner will be for the smaller pot. So that fits on that one, or that one. Well, it just sits there. I would have liked to see a little bit more difference between these, because they're nearly exactly the same size. You got 1.2 on one. They do fit inside each other nicely like that. And I suppose you could use this as a cloth as well, to clean it, or even just to dry them afterwards. Let's put some Meths in this, see how this burns. This is the stuff you need if you're not familiar with it. It's called methylated spirit in this country. I think it's just alcohol, it's called in America, or ethanol. We should probably fill that up before we put it inside. That would have made more sense, wouldn't it? The problem with alcohol flame, it's sometimes completely invisible. You can see it a little bit now. Sometimes it's tricky to try and work out if it's on or not. Just got to wave your hand above, check it out. So that goes on the top like that nicely. And they all fit inside this windproof shield. and like I say, to put it out, that just slots through there. Done. Yeah, I quite like that. All in all, a decent thing. Gripes I'd have, for what's essentially a premium product, pay more than Trangia, it's not really up to the price point it should be. Look at the stitching on that. I mean, you expect it to look better than that, wouldn't you? The handle's been bounced about in transit, so it's got quite a few scratches on there. I mean, it's smart, it's all in one. You carry that to your camp. They say it's good for 2 to 4 people. I can see that. You've got room for a few other things in there as well. Very hard to put this strap through as well. Just, you put it in there, it wants to go inside. Right, finally through after a lot of mucking about. But apart from those gripes, it's a nice looking thing, really smart. You've got everything there to cook up a few different meals. I mean, you could do your tea and your breakfast on this without having to clean it or anything through the night. Weighs just over 1 kilogram. You don't have to take everything that's in there. You could take one of those pans out easily enough. And they do another version where there's a kettle inside. If you're doing a lot of cups of teas, it's ideal for that. I wanted the version with the frying pan because I'm more cooking a bit of meat and things like that. I think I'll probably just be taking it with one pan in there, save a little bit of weight. The strap is annoying. And I feel like they could have packaged it a little bit better inside to stop it bouncing around in transit. But apart from that, I will be using this. So let me know if you like the look of this or not in the comments. And come back soon, you can see me trying it out up the mountains. Thanks for watching.